Hello everybody! From time to time I like to do unboxing of items that you will very rarely find on other YouTube videos. This item I received as a gift from my sister, and of course I was waiting to unbox it together with you guys. As you can see, this item looks like a book with the title The New English Dictionary, and by the look from all sides it looks just like any other book. However, when you open the covers you will see that this is actually a safe, or another name is strongbox, to keep your valuables secure from thieves. Inside the safe we will find two keys which are used to lock or unlock the strongbox. What is interesting about these keys is that they are symmetrical, so you don't need to worry which side you put when you want to open the safe. As you can see, there is plenty of space inside the box to store your valuable items, so let's see what we can fit inside. For example, you can store your important documents, keys, watch or watches, your card holder, paper money, coins, car key, wallet, passport, 400 GB SD card. Basically anything valuable what it comes to your mind you can store inside. Just leave some space for the lock to be able to move to lock and unlock position. Then once locked, it is pretty secure from the opening, but of course the robber can easily take the whole safe in the hands and go away with him. That is why the idea is to keep this with the other books you have on your shelf, and then as you can see it is hard to directly recognize that this is not just a normal book, and at least it will take some time to thief to find it immediately and steal your values. That will be all for this video. I hope you like this interesting item, and if you want to order something similar for yourself, check the link below in the description of this video. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, Assalamu alaikum, may peace be upon you.